All right, when I move under the sound, I'm going to say it. Get ready, Mrs. Williams. Ah. Good job, Mrs. Williams. Okay, your turn. Think. Get ready. Good job saying ah. Your turn again. Get ready. Nice job saying ah. Hopefully you didn't start saying it before the hand moved. Don't forget that part. Let's try it one more time. Get ready. Good job. Ah. Just like yesterday, we are going to do the same thing the picture shows. So in my hand on the screen is at the first ball. You're going to make sure your hands are in your lap. And then when the hand moves under a picture, you're going to do whatever the picture shows. So right now, if you were in the classroom watching me, your hands would be in your lap. And then now your hand, one of your hands, the finger of that hand would be touching your ear the entire time the hand is under the picture. And then as my hand goes back to the first ball, your hand goes back in your lap. So let's try that. Get ready. Your finger should be touching your ear. And now it's in your lap, okay? Without the hints. Get ready. Good. Hopefully when my hand was over here, your finger was touching your ear. Nice job. Okay, now we're going to do this one. Right now your hand should be in your lap. And then as I make my way under this picture, you should have your mouth open. Keep it open the whole time my hand is under the picture. And then when I move on to the next picture, you can close your mouth and then bring up one of your fingers and touch your nose. Keep touching your nose until my hand goes back to the first ball. All right, let's try it. Get ready. Mouth should be open. Now your mouth is closed and your fingers touching your nose. And hands back in lap. All right, without the hints, get ready. Nice. All right, if you need to practice that some more, just stay on this page. Some of these are ah, and some of these are not ah. So you're going to tell me what each thing is. Now remember, when I put the hand here, you're thinking, I say think, you're going to look at what's on the line, tell yourself in your head what it is so that you're ready to do it, to say it out loud as soon as my hand moves under the picture. So we're going to think in your head. Get ready? You should have said cat. Nice job. That's not ah. All right. Think. Say what this is in your head. Get ready. Yes, girl. That's not an ah either. Okay, think. Tell yourself what this is in your head. Get ready. Good job saying ah. Nice. All right, think. Get ready. Good. Ah. There was another one. All right, think. Get ready. Yes, shoe. That's not an ah.